Hi, my name is Kanika and welcome to my home. I invite you to join me here in my studio and in my kitchen as we explore fun and creative ways of extracting pigments and colors from the foods that we eat every day. No special or fancy materials are required. All that is needed is an open mind and a willingness to try something new. This is Food to Palate. Thanks for joining me. So keeping with neutral tones, I find it very helpful in my palettes to have a very neutral gray. Interestingly enough, we make gray. I've found the easiest and best way to make gray is from plums. So dark plums on the outside have this really dark purplish reddish tone, and on the inside the flesh is super bright. So you see this and you wonder, okay, how is this going to make gray? And it's actually quite beautiful and magical once, even though your vial will be red, once you put it on paper, it becomes this beautiful soft purplish color. If you add in just a little bit of baking soda, then it completely changes the tone, adds a little bit of a green tinge to it, and it makes a really nice, beautiful gray. So I have my peels here. Just want the peels to be submerged in water. Hot water, what it does is it activates something in the peel and the pigments will start to bleed. Okay, these are the same plum peels that I let to sit overnight. It looks a little mucky. I'm not gonna lie, it's not the prettiest looking color, but it's quite magical actually. Once you put this on paper, you'll see it changes color entirely. So my absolute favorite animal in the world is a penguin. There's no rule about the proportions of what the head needs to be relative to the body. I think that's what's really fun with penguins. It's a very forgiving thing. Here I have the yellow, which I made with turmeric and water. And there you have your penguins. So here I'm just outlining a cartoon drawing of an elephant. It's important that this be a permanent marker because so much water is added into our pigments. If it's not, it'll just completely bleed. I'm making this by hand, so I like the idea of it having that look that it's made by hand. So you'll see some empty spots, totally fine. I go outside the lines, totally cool. And as you can see, it's just drawing right in front of our eyes, and the contrast is going to be a lot more subtle. And here is my elephant.